Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the rupee symbol on your Google Slide mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a rupee currency symbol in Google Slide mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, I just going to open the slide here, click on the edit symbol. So now I just going to insert here, double tap here, and then now you just need to click on this option and just click on the dollar symbol, long press on the dollar symbol. You will find the rupee symbol. So actually there is no insert option present in Google Slide mobile, so instead of that you can use your keyboard. Here I just using Google keyboard, so you will have a only dollar symbol on the keyboard. So the hidden trick was you just need to long press on the keyboard dollar symbol. You can find the rupee symbol like this. So the same process should be repeated, so you can insert the rupee symbol how many times that you want, like this. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.